Yes, good afternoon. As I have told you the other day that I have completed my syllabus for class 10. So what I will do is that I will make you write certain question and answers. And so today I have thought of starting from the first chapter which is there for your board syllabus. That is the name of the chapter as I have written on the board, it is power sharing. Clear? Power sharing is the chapter from which I will start making you write certain question and answers. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, children? Okay. So the name of the chapter will be power sharing. Clear? First I will try to make you write answers which will be for 1 marks. 1 marks. Clear? So write down the first question. 1 marks questions I will make you write first and then I will move to the other questions. First of all, right, which was the language spoken by majority of the people living, living, living in the capital city, of Brussels, 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 question mark. Write the answer, just one word, write French. The answer will be French. Next one, which language was spoken by the majority people living, living in Belgium. Living in Belgium, question mark, and write down the answer, write Dutch, D-U-T-C-H, Dutch. Next one, how many times was the Belgian Constitution, Belgian, B-E-L-G-I-A-N, Belgian Constitution, amended, A-M-E-N-D-E-D, amended to accommodate, A-C-C-O-M-O-D-A-T-E, accommodate the differences existing within the people of the country, within the people of the country, question mark, write down the answer. Right. The Belgian Constitution was amended 4 times, F-O-U-R, 4 times between 1970, 1970 and 1993 to accommodate the differences existing within the country. Next one. Right. When did Sri Lanka emerge, E-M-E-R-G-E, emerge as an independent country, independent country, question mark, write the answer, 1948. Next one, which act, A-C-T, A caps, which act in Sri Lanka was passed, P-A-S-S-E-D, passed to recognize Sinhala, S-I-N-H-A-L-A, Sinhala as the official language question mark, write down the answer, right? The Act of 1956, A caps, the Act of 1956. Next one, what do you mean by a Tamil Elam, Tamil, T-A-M-I-L, Tamil Elam double E L A M, Elam. Question mark. Right. It means a separate state for the Tamils in Sri Lanka. How many 1 marks question did I make you write? 1 marks question, how many? 6. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we will move to 3 marks questions. You know that your question pattern will be for 1 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. Clear? Right. Describe the ethnic composition, the ethnic, E-T-H-N-I-C, the ethnic composition of Belgium. This will be for 3 marks. Clear? Ethnic composition of Belgium. Okay, right. Right. In Belgium, comma, 59% of the people living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living in the Flemish region, Flemish, F-L-E-M-I-S-H, Flemish region, spoke, S-P-O-K-E, spoke Dutch language, comma, 40% of people living in the Wallonia region, Wallonia, W-A-L-L-O-N-I-A, spoke French and the remaining 1% and the remaining 1% spoke German, full stop. However, in the capital city of Brussels, B-R-U-S-S-E-L-S, Brussels, 80% spoke French, while the remaining 20% spoke the Dutch language. Next one, these are 3 marks questions. Next one, describe the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Okay, right. Sri Lanka has a diverse population. Full stop. After full stop, a majority of 74% speak the Sinhala language, S-I-N-H-A-L-A, the Sinhala language, and follow Buddhism, full stop. While, comma, while, comma, 18%, 18% are just cut off that R, remove that R, while, comma, 18% speak Tamil and are mostly followers of Hinduism, comma, Islam or Christianity. Okay, so for 3 marks I have made you write 2 answers, question and answers, and the rest I will do it in my next class. Clear? Thank you very much, children.